welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a Greek dish for you guys. It's actually a salad. So I'm going to show you all the steps we'll take to make that. So let's get started.
So guys, I'm going to show you all the ingredients I use to make this amazing dish. So first this chicken, then some olives, oregano, cucumber, red wine, vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper, lettuce, tomatoes, feta cheese, lemon, and that's basically all you need to make this. So here I'm taking the olive oil and the red vinegar wine. We're using 1/4 cup to put it in this little bowl to make the dressing. So I'm cutting up a garlic clove and then I'm putting it in the mixture with some oregano. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar and then I'm mixing it all together with salt and pepper. Time to cut a lemon to add some flavor. So now I'm taking my romaine lettuce and I'm rinsing it off with water to give it a fresher taste. This is optional, but I'm chopping up the lettuce because we like thinner slices. So now I'm taking the lemon that I cut up earlier and I'm just squeezing it on top of the lettuce to give it a good flavor. Now I am going to show you the meat that my husband is grilling for us. He just added salt and pepper. So while the meat is cooking, I'm taking these olives that we got at Publix and I'm adding it to the salad. So now I'm taking the cucumber and I'm slicing it up into thin slices to add to the salad. Now we're going to add a few tomatoes. Now time for lots and lots of feta cheese. Now we're going to cut up the chicken and add it to the salad. Take the leftover lemons and squeeze it all over the chicken. Just add the chicken now. Now just add the dressing that we made earlier. Add it to your bowl and it's ready to go. We're test trying it.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed our video today. Just don't forget to give this a like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!